Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day one of my 13 days of Halloween 2021. I love doing Halloween makeup, so I can't wait for y'all to see my looks this year. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other 12 looks. I will be doing one every single day for the rest of October, so you don't want to miss them. But I thought I would kick it off with a Disney favorite, but with a twist. So for day one, I am doing Elsa with an icicle sticking out of her neck. So I'm actually recreating this look from a great makeup artist. I think you pronounce her name Shauna Scott, but I will link her video and her Instagram down below in the description box. I'm actually recreating several of her looks, so definitely check her out next. But the face makeup isn't anything special. If you recreate this look, you can just do your normal makeup routine. That's what I'm doing here. I already added my foundation, as you can see, and now I'm going in with Shape Tape, which is my favorite concealer. Even Elsa needs to cover her dark circles. And then I'm just going to set everything with a translucent setting powder. Now I'm going in with bronzer. This one is from the Pro Glow Kit by Tarte. It is one of my favorites, but I have been switching out bronzers lately. I love this one, Park Avenue Princess, also by Tarte. And then for a splurge, I love the Gucci bronzer. But if you want a good drugstore bronzer, I love the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. How many times can I say bronzer? But just use whatever you already have. And then I wanted to do a pinky blush. I thought it would be good for this look, so I'm using one by Cover FX. And I wanted a kind of blue tint highlighter. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I am mixing the blue highlighter and the white one. And I also used the white one in the inner corner of my eye because I felt like it gave it kind of a ice look. I probably should have used a lighter color since I'm putting on a blonde wig, but I just decided to use my normal brow product, and lately I have been using and loving the new Benefit brow pomade, and I actually did a first impression / brow tutorial on that product. If y'all want to check it out next, I will leave it down below in the description box, but since I'm just doing my normal brow routine, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. I cannot quit staring at these contacts. I think they look so weird because my lights are so bright. My pupils are tiny, so you can actually see my eye color coming through the contacts, but I actually like my eyes blue. I think they're really pretty. It's just so weird to see. But anyways, here I am lining my lower waterline with a black eyeliner because I feel like it makes everything blend together since I'm going to be putting on false lashes. And then here I'm just going in with a nude eyeshadow just to use as a base and make my lids look a little bit more even. So I guess I can't really call this look a smoky eye because I'm not doing a dark shade all the way across my lid. I'm keeping it lighter and just focusing the darker shade on the outer corner. So if you've been wanting to try a smoky eye but didn't want it to be too dark or too intense, definitely give this one a try. I'm going to call it a light smoky eye, and I'm just using browns instead of blacks and grays. And I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom palette, which is my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette, and I always recommend it to everybody because it goes with so many different skin tones and you can do so many different looks with it. After I add each eyeshadow color, I always like to take a clean fluffy brush on the edges and make sure everything is nice and blended and that there's no harsh lines. And now I'm adding mascara. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Pillow Talk mascara. I am going to be adding false lashes, but I always like to do my mascara first because I feel like it helps your real lashes blend in with the fake ones. And since I focused the darker shade on the outer corner, I feel like Elsa's eyes are kind of cat-like, even though they are very round, if that makes any sense at all. So I did get lashes that are a little bit longer on the end, and these ones are by Tarte. So I did end up going back in with that white eyeshadow from the Anastasia Glow Kit and added more to my inner corner. I thought it looked very Elsa-like and kind of like ice, so I kind of just kept piling it on, and I love how it looked. And now for lipstick, I'm going in with one from House Labs, which is Lady Gaga's makeup line, and I love these lipsticks. I think this is the shade Influencer, which is a really pretty pink, but I'm not focusing too much on the lipstick because I end up going in with a blue and black eyeshadow to make my lips kind of look frostbit and frozen. Okay, so here is the completed normal Elsa. I love how the makeup turned out, and as you can see, it is super easy, and my wig is Prime available, so if you need a last minute costume idea, this would be perfect. But now let's add the icicle and make Elsa creepy. So after I figured out the size of the icicle, I figured out where I wanted to place it, and now I'm just tracing it so I know how much wax to put and where to put it and all of that. And the tutorial that I am recreating, she actually had an icicle custom made. It looks amazing, but I would not even know where to begin on who to ask, what to ask for to make one. So I had to improvise, and this is actually a ornament from Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of I think about 6 or 8, and it had little fuzzies all over it, so I picked it all off so I didn't have a fuzzy icicle. It doesn't look the best, but it gets the job done. Y'all, I don't know what is going on with me this year, but I think I completely forgot how to do Halloween makeup and work with wax because I don't think I even put spirit gum down. That's why it is not sticking to my neck. I really wanted to use this silicone mixture that I found, but I used it all up on a different look, so I had to use this wax, which would have been fine if I would have been using it correctly. So I am just going to skip through this part and get to the icicle. So I finally got it somewhat attached. I don't know if y'all can see in the top center, it is kind of coming apart, but I figured that you probably wouldn't be able to see that once I put the icicle in. And to be honest with y'all, I was kind of frustrated at this point because I probably struggled with that wax for over 20 minutes. So I just wanted to get on with the look. So I did add some fake blood. You can see I'm not even worrying about the back part of it. And now I'm going to take some purple and black and red eyeshadow and just go around the edges to make it look like it's bruised because it is like the icicle has come through my neck. And then I'm also going to take it down on my chest a little bit as well. Next, I'm taking some blue eyeshadow, and I think I end up going in with some black as well and just placing it all over my lips to make them look a little bit frostbit and frozen. I think that everything that could have went wrong with this look did go wrong because the icicle would not stick either. I don't know if it was because it was styrofoam and whenever I cut it, it wasn't even, but I put a ton of spirit gum on this and I knew the wax wouldn't hold it because as you can see, it kept falling off. This whole look was just a disaster. It is such a good thing that I like it so much and it makes it worth it, but y'all, the struggle was real. After I finally got the icicle to somewhat stay, I'm now taking fake blood and just dripping it all the way around. Yes, I got it everywhere. Just ignore that. But that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed day 1 of my 13 days of Halloween. If you did enjoy this look and you're excited to see what other looks I have planned for this year, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss those looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for day 2.